let's start. Brianna, do you want to do number 1 for part 2?
Sure.
Okay.
Check the 5 assumptions for conducting a linear regression on the data. List them below and explain how you check the assumption includes the charts and graphs. Okay. So for this one, gotta pull up the right one, sorry. I just did a bunch of graphs. So to check the norm, these are kind of out of order, but check the normal error term. I did a QQ plot of the regression standard residual. Just realized I did it wrong, but I think it's normal. And then, am I doing this right?
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing it right.
Of the unstandard residual.
Yeah, exactly. And then to check the linear relationship, I just did a normal scatter plot, and then did the same. I did an unstandardized residual to check to see if there was no pattern, which hopefully there was, which there wasn't. And yeah, did I miss anything?
No, because you did list the 3 graphs that you, or like the 2 that you use generally to meet the 3 requirements. So you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're good. Okay. And then number 2A, Hannah, do you want to do that one?
Yes. Is that the error term question?
Let's see. Number 2A for part B is state the null and alternative hypothesis.
Oh, sorry. Let's see. Okay. So it's the beta 1 equals 0, and beta 1 does not equal 0.
Right. Okay. And then we'll skip that one because after I checked my answers, I realized there was really nothing to put there.
Yeah.
I was like, what? Why would you put that?
Just so you know.
Yeah. And then C, Lori, do you want to do that one?
Okay, in the coefficient table, there's a T, and the one that says 22.675 is the test statistic, and the value of the test statistic is 0.00 6 zeros and then a 5. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the p-value, yeah. I was wondering what the value was, so that's helpful.
Right? Okay, and then I'll do D. Based on the p-value, do you reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis? And because the p-value is, let's see, it is less than 0.05, it's close to 0, we do reject the null hypothesis.
Yes, yeah.
Perfect. And then do you want to do E, Brianna?
Yes. So state your conclusion. I don't know if I said this right. I said there is sufficient evidence to suggest that the true slope is greater than 0. Did I say that right?
So I think so. It's like it's not equal to 0. You mean, or like? Because I remember they said
yeah, not equal to 0.
Yeah.
I forgot how they said it.
Yeah, because there's one. Sorry, I'll go back to the. I'll have to print out the answers because I was like, But so because like there's one way saying that that something isn't equal to 0, and then it says also that there's evidence to conclude that the body length or the slope of the true regression linear or line of the body length and the head length have a linear relationship.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, you're good though. Yeah, perfect.
I knew something more than that. Okay.
And then let's see. Hannah, did you want to do number 3?
Yeah, so the 95% confidence interval is 6.704 and 8.096.
Okay, guys, I feel 95% confident that we will be able to do great in this class.
Me too.
Okay. Oh, and by the way, guys, I was wondering too, the statistical flow chart. Sorry, just now that I'm looking at it, so that I remember. If you guys want to do them, and then we'll email them out and see if there's other things we can add from each other, so that this next test is
Yeah.
prepared. I think that would be cool.
Okay,
So,
for sure. I'll do that.
Okay, cool. And now I'll start the quiz. Here we go.
Oh.
True and true.
I was just doodling and goes off. So
And then, Lori, did you want to start number 3?
Wait just a second.
Oh, okay.
Make sure I'm doing the right one. Lesson 23. Okay. True.
That one is, that was the not equal one. So it's, the null hypothesis is beta 1 equals 0, and the alternative is beta 1 does not equal 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
As usual.
And then number 4, a residual. And I had so much problems with that today when I was doing
I feel your pain.
doing the review, because I was like, is it this for sure? Is it this? So I felt like that a residual is the difference between the observed y value and the value predicted by the regression line. Is that correct?
Yeah.
It is?
Yes,
Yes!
that's what it is. I know because I wrote down the definition because I couldn't remember it for you.
I'm gonna write it down too, because my husband put my stuff somewhere and I can't even find it.
Oh.
Okay. All right, and then Brandon, will you do number 5?
Sure. A plot of residuals supports. Wait. A plot of residuals supports using linear regression when you see. That's kind of a tough one. Do you guys think it's the second one? Residuals are all positive? No. Look normally distributed, but it says
Yeah, with
zero.
0 mean.
Yeah, that's the thing that.
Yeah, because I remember in the videos he said if you see a pattern or a megaphone shape, it's not right. And then I'm like, positive? I don't even remember, so.
Yeah, that's why I was leaning towards it, because I know you can't have 0, so.
I don't know.
But maybe 0 mean is okay? I don't know.
I don't know.
I think it's. Let me look.
3
We're
point,
allowed to look, right?
3.2. Residual for an observation is defined as the difference between the observed value y and the value that would have been predicted by the regression line.
Okay.
Okay. So then,
Still doesn't.
yeah, a plot of residuals using.
Okay, so.
Independent value x and y for each value of x.
Mm-hmm.
Did you guys get in there? This residual plot shows a random scatter, no obvious pattern. If linear regression is appropriate, then residual plot will show no patterns and will consist of random scatter. If there is a pattern in residual, it suggests the linear regression is not appropriate.
Okay.
I feel like it could be, because I know with the Q, because it doesn't say what plot. So I know with the QQ plot, you want it to be normally distributed, and that means that they're all in a straight line, right?
Yeah.
Residuals, QQ plot of residuals. We can assess if they are normally distributed doing QQ plot. In our close in line, we conclude the residuals are normally distributed.
So it's definitely not the first and third one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ah. Sorry.
Well, the good
It's normally distributed in the last one, but I don't see anywhere where it says the zero mean.
Oops, my pencil is so far. What to know? I took notes. What to know if there's a linear relationship? Need to determine if the slope is different from 0. If the slope is 0, then it suggests that there is no linear relationship between the two variables.
So then it will be positive?
It doesn't necessarily have to be positive, though, does it?
I don't think so, but I know, right? That's just the odd thing is like I know that you see it in both the negative and the positive, so
How about we all just put a different answer?
see who gets it, yeah.
Take our chances, huh?
Yeah, I mean, statistically speaking. Let's see.
Oh, if it's a plot, okay. Ooh. Ooh, right. Okay, here's the one thing I am noticing though.
Okay.
So, because are we, like, when it says, when it says plot of the residuals, like it makes me think of like the line, right? Like the normal QQ plot of unstandardized residuals, right? We're thinking that one.
Yes.
Right. And like usually if it is normalized, then we know, or if it is good, then usually it does have like a positive.
That's true.
I don't know.
Okay, let's just go with it because that's the closest one to making sense, and what you said does make sense. So.
I'm so confused. Good.
Go with your heart.
Alright. And then, okay, so, okay. Woo!
I am.
Alright, who are we at on the next one? Sorry.
I think it was Hannah's turn.
Hannah, okay, will you do number 6, Hannah? Sorry about that.
Oh man. Okay. So let me open it up. Residuals.
Oh, I forgot to do it. Sorry.
So confidence is the X independent score.
Confidence as the
Okay, so not the second one. Let me do. Okay, so maybe the last one. Did you guys do it too?
Mm-hmm. Let me see.
Well, so I got the residuals, and then I made a QQ plot of the residuals. I don't know why. I just did.
Might as well.
And they seemed to be in a pretty straight line.
Okay. Sorry, I'm still kind of.
Or is dependent on the confidence rating.
Okay, let me see. What statement best describes? Which one were you thinking about?
The last one, maybe? I'm looking at all the numbers to check the first one.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like the first one is right as well.
So, and we have confidence data as X, right? That's what I need to make sure before I start doing all this other stuff, right?
Yeah, that's the one you put as X.
Perfect.
So, did you guys do a chart, or are you looking at numbers? What exactly are you guys doing?
I did the analyze and then linear regression to get that res 1 table.
Mm-hmm.
And then I made a QQ plot of that.
Oh, I got it. Oh, that makes sense.
I don't know if that was right, but I did it.
Yeah.
I think you're right. I'm trying to remember how to get it because I'm like, where's the button? Oh, it's unstandardized predicted values and unstandardized residuals right there. Got it. Okay, and then make the graph based off of the.
I forgot to. Man, I keep messing.
So when you do the crap, I don't even know. Hold on. Because I did it all Monday and I'm just trying to think right now. I'm like,
I know, it's hard to remember when you haven't done it.
Oh, you just do residual. Aha! I remember. Don't worry, guys, I got this. Okay, so here we go. Just based on the QQ plot, it looks like it's linear. But for the D-term normal QQ plot, it doesn't look linear. I don't know. The other residual plot looks fine.
Yeah.
Putting
So for
that
number 6,
planetary value is in the y-axis.
let's see.
Isn't the explanatory the X?
Yeah, confidence rating mean is X, and then for the QQ plot it would be, can you go back? Or observed value and expected normal.
The funny thing is, the word pattern scares me now. After
Oh, wait. What statement best describes the residuals? Because for the residual plot, you just do, like, you do X as the confidence rating mean, and then you do Y as the unstandardized residuals, right?
Sorry, I'm having a little bit trouble hearing you. Can you say it again?
Oh yeah. So for number 6,
Mm-hmm.
you would do the plot, the linear regression plot, where it would just look like it's not even a pattern. It would look like a bubble almost, because all the points are everywhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then, let's see. So then confidence rating mean would be X, and then unstandardized residual would be Y, and that would be the scatter plot, right? Right.
Yeah, that would be the scatter.
So the number 6 is the residuals are between -40 and 25.
I think that might be it. Yeah.
Is that what you got, Hannah? Sorry.
Yeah, no, that's totally cool. I wasn't 100%, so
Or
that's,
is that the one? Is that the one that you got though, or was it different?
oh no, I hadn't done that graph that you had done. So you did a scatter plot. Hey, don't touch that. Let me do it real quick.
Oh, okay. Sorry, because like yeah, while you were saying your answer, I was trying to work my VMware, so that's why I was like, sorry if I don't even know if you already got the answer, and I'm just like la la la.
Okay, so confidence is at the x-axis, and then you're saying the unstandardized residuals goes into the y-axis.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and then I think the QQ plot goes into the next question.
Okay. So then, Lori, did you want to do number 7 for us? Sorry.
I haven't even gotten a QQ plot yet.
It's okay. Yeah, it
Um,
take that long.
You already have the residuals though, Lori?
Well, I have a plot with. What do I have a plot with? I'm sorry, I'm picking it.
No, it's okay.
Okay, confidence rating mean is on the bottom, and score is at the top. And it just looks like a bunch of bubbles.
Yes.
Is that one of the right ones?
That for number 6 are you talking about?
Yes, for number 6.
Yeah, you pulled up the right plot for number 6.
Okay.
Yep.
Next, is that a QQ plot? That's not a QQ plot, though, is it?
No, it's not. Make the QQ plot. Did you do it where you save the residuals? So you got a separate column, and then you take the unstandardized residuals, put it as Y, right, guys, and then X is.
So the dependent is unstandardized residuals.
Yep. And then you would just do the QQ plot only based on the residuals.
And
Oh yeah, you're right.
And score is in the independent box.
No, take out the score for right now.
So, okay, the linear regression, right?
No, look.
Am I not even doing the right graph?
You would go to explore, actually, right?
Oh yeah, you're doing it. Yeah, analyze, explore.
Analyze,
So descriptive statistics, explore.
okay.
And then you'll put in the dependent list unstandardized residuals.
Okay.
Then you'll click on plots.
Hmm.
You'll hit normality plots with tests. Press continue.
Okay.
Then the normal QQ plot of unstandardized residual, once you scroll down, will be down a little ways. Sorry, my grandparents are calling again. Hold on.
It's okay.
Hi guys.
Okay. Deviation from the norm, observed value.
There, 1 second. I'll show you guys where
Oh, it looks bad.
the
It looks like this. Is that right?
The one above it, isn't that the one we look at? The normal QQ plot instead of the detrended normal?
Okay, that makes more sense. Okay. The residuals form a linear grid.
For which one?
You need to go back to that.
Yes, they look fairly normal.
They don't look. They are fairly normal.
Yes.
Fairly normal. Number 7, fairly normal.
All right.
So how would they be all negative? Number 6.
For number 6,
What
we
kind
put-
of plot was that? Sorry.
we did it residual. So
Sorry, guys.
it's okay.
Oh, residual plot.
So that's just a residual scatter plot, yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And they are pretty scattered.
Yeah, they're very scattered.
Okay, so number 6 is the residuals are all negative.
I think
No,
it's,
we got the residuals are about -40 and 25 is what.
Okay.
We're right here. Yeah. I'm just doing a group school meeting, so you guys want to come in and take a seat. Okay. Not super clean. It's not super clean. Are you on the computer? Yeah, I'm doing a class group thing right now, but we don't want to. Sorry guys, give me one more second, okay? While you guys are figuring out number 6 and 7.
okay, sounds good.
It works really well.
I'm sure it does. I bet you like it better than the other one.
Yes, very much. Very much so. Yeah.
Q. So this is a question that can have more than one answer, right?
Which one? Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay, the QQ plot of the unstandardized residual. So do we need to do a different one?
I think we've done all of the plots, and they all looked pretty good.
So the residuals are normally distributed.
Mm-hmm. That was the QQ plot.
Linear relationship between X and Y.
Regular scatter plot. Sorry. I did that one. It looked good.
Are the observations independent?
I'm assuming so.
I'm assuming so.
I don't know if we should check it or not, but
It says check all that apply. Variance of term is constant for all values of X, or the X values are measured without error.
I know that you can't check those, right? Like directly is what it said in the chart.
Right.
So I don't know if we should check them or not, even though, in my
You probably
opinion,
can. It's
yeah.
because I think the other three we can check off, so I think we can like assume for the last two that they'd also be
Yeah.
right.
Okay. Awesome. Even though it says that we're talking about just the 3 plots, do you think that matters or no?
I don't know.
See, I think we had that in our like the review for lesson exam 4.
That ringtone is stuck in my head. Season.
That was the be some of the stuff.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I just realized about the mute button too, so sorry about that before, guys. Okay, so what number are you guys on right now?
I think we're working on number 8.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you guys get for number 7?
I put the residuals are fairly normal.
Fairly normal.
Yes.
You said?
Yeah.
So, is everyone on number 8?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, number 8.
So, well, I think what we agreed on is that the first 3 we can check off, but we didn't know if we could check off the last 2.
I was going to check off the last one. I don't know if the 4th one would be one.
I would check off all of them if it weren't for the fact it said given the scatter plot, residual plot, and QQ plot, which, and then check all that apply. So I was like, well, the other ones don't technically like apply, but I don't know if I'm thinking too narrow about it.
I don't know either.
It's kind of vague sometimes.
Is Kaylee there?
I am here. I don't know if you guys can hear me.
I couldn't hear you before. I can hear you now.
I was like asking like what's number 7, and I don't think anyone heard me.
Oh, so 7 is the residuals are fairly normal for number 7.
That's what I thought. Yeah, so I think probably the last 2 though for number 8, guys. I think since it says specifically which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data that we produce by the software, it would be the first 3.
Okay.
So, Because the other two, I guess, like you can't really determine only by looking at like the y values, but not by the data that we produced, I guess. The other thing too, let's see, I can remember where all that stuff is at. So for number 9 though, do you guys want me to do that one since I was kind of in limbo for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so for what is B1, the estimate for the slope, for that one is at 12.695.
That's what I thought.
Sorry, what did you get?
I got 12.695.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Where did you get the 5? I got 12.69 on the equation.
Oh, okay. If you look at let's see, when you do analyze regression linear, and then you make the you put the data through that analyze system,
Yeah.
it should give you this. Or I can't screen share. Sorry, guys. Whoops. Yeah, about that.
I
But,
can pull it up if you want.
or actually, maybe I can. Hold on. It should. Let's see. Let's see. Screen share. Can I do it? Ah. There we go. So it should show.
Yeah, it's up.
Can you guys see it?
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. So it should give you this coefficient box right here. And the number that I looked at specifically was this one right here that shows 12.695. Right there.
695. Just have to look for it.
I'm really curious to see your grade on this after. There's a couple.
Okay, so you got residual statistics. Here's 12.69.
Yes, ma'am.
Standardized coefficient.
Say that one more time, guys.
Okay.
What number are we on?
I think, are we still in number, so are we, so number 9 is 12.695, so we're on 10. Let's see, Brianna, will you do number 10?
Yes.
Okay.
What is the confidence interval? And did you guys get the first one, 10.708 and 14.742?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
My numbers were a little different when I used SPSS, but it's close enough.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what I had too, Hannah. And then Hannah, do you want to do number 11?
Yes, so the p-value is 0.000 something. So we will reject the null because the p-value is less than alpha. So the second one.
All right.
Perfect. And then Lori, what's number? Do you want to do number 12?
For hypothesis test for B slope, if you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean? There is there is sufficient evidence to suggest the linear relationship.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Oh. There's sufficient evidence to conclude the slope, the regression line is 0, or there's sufficient evidence to conclude the slope of the regression line is not 0. I'm going to go with not 0.
I concur.
Choice 3.
Yeah. Yep. Perfect. And then, let's see, I'll do number 13. For the Asterine crocodiles data, which variable is a dependent variable? And I think we determined that body length was the dependent variable based on the practices. Okay. And then number 14, Brandy, do you want to do that one?
Did you say me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Hannah and Brianna are so close. Since 99% confidence interval for these data is 7.124, 8.311, what can you say about the true slope? They're not that one. Since the confidence interval does not contain 0, there is sufficient evidence to conclude that B naught 1 is not equal to 0. That's what I'm going to say.
I agree.
Okay.
Alright.
Anyone want to go over anything before we do this thing?
I'm gonna have to do some charts before I turn mine in.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna look over one thing. Let me think. Where is it at? Have you guys already turned it in?
I haven't turned it in yet.
Yeah, I submitted mine.
How's it looking?
There was one wrong.
I think I know which one it is, but I'm going to submit it anyways. Okay. My goodness, it would be that one. That was the one I was going back to look at. It's okay though. We know now. Little dog is so cute. Love it.
I'm trying to figure out if I like. Okay. Well, yeah. Let's see. I'm just gonna go back through and make sure too, and I think Laura, you're doing that too. Let's see. So, do you guys all want to meet on Friday for lesson 24?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna be there.
You guys do
Yeah,
want to
that
do
works
that?
better for me. My child is losing it right now.
So, okay, let's plan on that then. Also, for lesson 23 for the homework, if you guys need any help, let's just email each other and figure that one out. Because I already finished the homework for it, but I just need to do it now. So,
Okay.
if there's anything tricky, I'll let you guys know.
I have finished the homework for lesson 23, and I took the quiz already.
Oh, you did? Does it ask you if you already did the group thing?
I don't remember. I don't think so. I think it was all questions.
Okay, because yeah, it used to ask me at the beginning of the homework if I had attended the group meeting first, and when I'd say no, I was like, dang it.
I
Oh.
yeah.
I would answer it yes anyways because we were planning on it.
Okay. Other than that too, so we're meeting on Friday. Do you guys want to do 4 o'clock again?
Yeah, that works perfectly.
Okay, so 4 o'clock, and then also, what was I just thinking about? Your PowerPoint presentations. I can't figure out if they are really due this week or if the due date is the 20th. So,
I thought it was due.
if you
But
You thought it was due
wanna
when?
try to get it in this week.
did you see the PowerPoint presentation?
Yes.
Mine says it's due Saturday, December 20th.
Yeah, this Saturday it says take action is due, whatever that is.
That's me. That's me.
If you look at the PowerPoint presentation slide, it says the assignment is due Saturday of the week 12 at 11:55 p.m. And we are in week 12 right now.
Don't we
So-
need the take action thing for the PowerPoint thing too? I bet it's just a typo.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think
I'll
because they
make
changed
sure
it
to like,
around.
ask him just so we can get full points because he's been really nice and has given us full points the entire time, which is nice.
Yes, yeah.
So,
I know.
but yeah, so we'll plan on meeting Friday at 4, and yeah, we'll just help each other out. Okay.
Sweet. Awesome. Good job, everyone.
Good job.
Okay, see you Friday.
I'm gonna miss you guys, that's for sure. Bye.
Bye.